Hello folks, welcome to Just Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you how to repair your Excel workbook that cannot open and let you put in your works. So in your sidebar, I need you to open up Excel workbook, not any workbook but Excel itself. So when you come here, what you would do is to go under the options. So when you come in here, go down to the Trust Center and open Trust Center settings. So from here, you'll be looking at protected view. In this column here, enter protected view. As you can see, all these options are enabled, which makes it impossible to open Excel from unsafe location or from untrusted internet browser. So what you will do is uncheck all these icons and leave it blank, and then click OK. So when you do that, that will release the settings that will not allow Excel to open. So now that you have changed those settings, close this out and then locate your workbook that was unable to open. And you can see I'll do yes always, and that should open without issue. So I hope you did love this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay connected in the upcoming ones. Thank you for watching.